Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y21D and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option Security and Privacy. Then let's go to Device Unlocking and choose Fingerprint. So because I do not have any kind of screen lock method applied right now, I need to choose pattern, pin or password. If you've got one, you will be simply transferred to another step. So I'll pick the pattern, let me quickly draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Here the notification content, so just mark the option. And now we can finally enroll the fingerprint. So the fingerprint sensor is localized on the power button, which is on the right. So all we have to do is to put our finger on the sensor. First of all, tap on enroll now, tap on agree, and now put our finger on the sensor and do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. As you can see, the scanner is quite sensitive, I would say. It really catches previously scanned area. I cannot really add it twice, which is maybe not confusing, but it's hard. Okay, so we just successfully added the fingerprint. Just tap on done. And the fingerprint section where we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. Here we've got the unlock method, so we can touch or press. To be honest, I think that this first option is much easier because you need to simply put your finger on the sensor without putting and pressing it. A fingerprintless, so this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it, add another fingerprint, verify fingerprint, and the privacy statement. So all we have to do right now is to lock our device, and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.